Two delicious hugs. On today's recipe, we will be making a fresh apple crisp. Let's get started by peeling our apples. I'm using a combination of apples on today. I did find some red apples on clearance, so I really don't know what type of apples they are, but I also added a Granny Smith apple and one Golden Delicious apple to the crisp. These apples are known for cooking apples. You can also use other fruits in your apple crisp or fruit crisp, whatever you want to use. Pears would be good, peaches, nectarines, plums. You can also do blackberry or mixed berries. That would also be really good with this recipe. It's very simple, quick and easy, and very delicious. Let me know in the comment section down below what's your favorite fruit crisp. Now once we get started, we're going to go ahead and start dicing those. We're simply going to cut the apple into 4 pieces, turn it over to the side, and simply remove the core. We added lemon to the water so the apples don't turn brown. This is called acidulated water. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. This dessert is perfect for when the weather is cold outside and you want something very comforting. It also goes well with my chili. Please see that video at your earliest convenience. Continue to dice your apples and place them in the acidulated water so they don't turn brown. Moving on to the top, we're going to go ahead and flavor the apples. So we're going to be adding some orange zest. I'm using a microplane so it breaks it down into very small pieces. Then next we're going to squeeze half a lemon on the apples as well. Be careful not to get any seeds inside so your guests won't choke on it. Then we're just going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Give that a stir until everything is mixed and combined. Now for the topping, I'm simply going to be adding some butter to the mixture. The package instructions said to add about 4 tablespoons, but you'll see later on that I went ahead and added the whole stick of butter. And it turned out perfect. Now simply add the package apple crisp topping. And I think the name is Fresh Success, but it's a really good product. I also added some chopped pecans and some oats to it. I think oats is already in there. I just did additional for the texture. Give that a mix until combined. This is where I added the additional butter and I simply just stirred that. It should be a coarse crumble. Then I'm adding apple pie spice. Apple pie spice is simply cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. So you can simply make it if you don't have it. Also going in with some vanilla, about 1 teaspoon or more, and some salted caramel syrup. This is where the salted caramel comes in. You can add about 1 or 2 teaspoons. You're gonna go ahead and stir until combined. Taste your apples to see if that's the flavor that you want. If not, add more spice, add more zest, juice, or syrup. You're also going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to your apples. This is just going to balance the sweetness of the recipe. Now you're going to go ahead and place your apples in your baking dish. I'm also going to be making a little mini dish just for a little personal serving. I put the remaining apples in a pie dish, and then I simply put the crumble right on top. You're going to go inside your oven at 350 degrees for about 28 minutes or until nice golden brown on top. Place your ice cream and some salted caramel on top, and you have made a quick and easy, delicious dessert. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, bye-bye.